Hi, I'm Victor Paul, and you're at the Living Room Salon in the beautiful city of Costa Mesa. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the curling iron to create baby curls. The tool you'll be using is a really small baby curling iron. Pick up a fairly large section of hair, place it in, and then just roll the curling iron all the way around it, and then you're going to roll the hair down to the very ends, and then you're just going to roll up and up all the way till you get to the scalp, and you're going to just let it sit there for a second, and then you just release the curl, and that's how you get the baby curl. And you're going to pick up another section behind it, fairly, big, maybe inch by inch section. Take the hair in, slide it down till you get to the tips, and then you want to just take the curling iron and wrap and wrap and wrap all the way down to the scalp, and then hold it there, and then by releasing it, you just let it go, and that's how you get these curls. And then you just continue to do it. Something that's really important, you want to make sure your hair is completely dry when you do this, because otherwise it'll create steam and heat, and then the curls won't stay in place. So it's kind of important to make sure your hair's all the way dry. So here we go, we're doing the same thing, just taking the hair, wrapping it all the way down to the scalp. Be sure not to hit your scalp with a curling iron, because the curling iron is really hot and it'll burn your scalp. And then just release it down. And then we're going to take another section and just place right here. We're going to pull it down all the way to the tip and roll, all the way down to the tip and roll it back up to the scalp. And then release them, let them fall down. I'm doing right here. And it doesn't really matter where you start with this curling iron. You just kind of pick up pieces, kind of random here and there. But what is important to make sure you start at the very tip and roll up. And then just you kind of winding the hair up the curling iron. As you can see, it's kind of just winding up, not really overlapping itself. It's just going up it, so that way it's smooth and even. And then just releasing it down. And I'm Victor Paul, and that's how you use a baby curling iron to get baby curls.